So when you leave, it takes me hours just to catch my breath. So girl, you got me feeling love that I never felt. The first time I met you, I knew you was the one. So when we making love, my whole body's going numb. I ask myself, am I pleasing you cause I'm blessed? Is it your mind, your body, or your elegance? It's in my mind and soul told me to take control and slow it down cause I'm feeling 12 when you're around. You capture my heart and soul in so many ways. Being with you guaranteed to see about the days. I'm wondering, will this love affair last? Call you late night just to hear you laugh. And said I know you new to this. When the last time you had a first class trip? And said you got me feeling high. So kick back baby and enjoy this ride. So don't be stressing, I'm thinking the next trip, girl, you knew from the start that I was the shit. So right now I'm thinking of Costa Rica. Listen real quick as your mind peep this. So let me kiss you on your shoulders. Your mom told you I was a soldier. Let's kick back and let's take tequila shots. Yeah, this is why I'm hot. I know you're feeling the sexual tension. You held a brother down when I was on the missions. You are completely intoxicating. Your pussy told me late night how long it's been waiting. Let's kick back in the sand. Forget business, this is strictly romance. Ain't nothing ever gonna keep me away from you. Said I can't believe you're so beautiful.
I meant to hurt you. Do you think I meant to hurt you? So let's laugh together, cry together. God willing, we gon' die together. Do you think I meant to hurt you? No. Do you think I meant to hurt you? So let's laugh together, cry together.